Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to merge PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Merging PDF files in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process that obviously can simplify tasks, improve organization, and enhance productivity. So if you're using the Adobe Acrobat Online, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the Edit tab because you have like Home, Documents, Edit, Convert, eSign, and all tools. Because in the Edit tab, you would be able to see the combined files. This is the section that you can click to merge multiple files into a single PDF. Right, so click this, select a file, and from here you can choose from the recent documents, add an account. I'm going to use the recent documents. So for example, I'm going to be choosing this. Let's say for example we're going to choose maybe like 3 files for now. Let's click on the 3 PDFs right here, or 2 PDFs. Click and continue. You would be forwarded to this section, all right? So this is going to be, you can change your file view. We're not going to do with that right now. You see there's a small check icon here, right? I want you to click on it. Let me choose another file because we have a previous video about using the protected, on how to use protection here in Adobe Acrobat. So we're going to choose this instead. All right. Okay, so I have now chosen 2 files. All I'm going to do is click the check button again to select all. You see there is an option at the upper right corner where it says combine. Just click on it and just wait for it while Adobe Acrobat is setting up things for you. Right? Because combining multiple related documents into one file easily for sharing and references streamlines the management by reducing the number of separate files like this one right here. Since it's merged, you now have the capability to edit all of these, all right, using all of the tools available on your left hand panel of your dashboard. You can now create a single PDF for easier distribution via, you see, you can send it to your email, download this file. For example, if you click that, you have all these options. You can compress now this into a single file, or if you want to choose other file formats like JPEG, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and other image formats such as JPEG, PNG, and TIFF. You also have the power to download it as a Microsoft document here, or you see this plus button. You can share this document to, say for example, if you're working with a client, to your company, to your boss, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, just enter their name or email. You also have the option to allow comments or not allow comments and get the link. You see there is a link section here. If you get the link, you can send it to the email. If you have a social media channels such as Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, you can just send it to them. All right, it's a very easy thing to do. Obviously, combining multiple PDF files facilitates easier compliance with file format or size restrictions. You can print all content here in one go, right here, for a seamless print job. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.